In order to add range of motion or strength information on the evaluation on the underlying impairments page, if you scroll down, there's a section that says objective findings. It will say select a body part inside the box. You choose the drop down and pick which joints you evaluated. So if I chose the hip, I'd pick the hip, click select. If I chose another body part as well, maybe I also looked at the ankle or the knee, I choose that body part, click select. Now that will also be open. So you can add as many body parts as you want. The motions and the norms for that joint are built in. And then you have open boxes as necessary to put in any active range of motion, passive range of motion information, and then to your right are the manual muscle testing scores. Once you get your measurements in for range of motion, if you wanted to autofill the other areas that were normal, to the right on that line above the manual muscle testing, there's a indication that looks like a little bar. It says autofill. You click it, and then I could decide if I wanted to autofill active range of motion as within functional limits, or maybe within normal limits for passive range of motion, or whichever. Anything that was left open for that joint would automatically fill in as in within normal or functional limits for you to use.